In this video, I'll show you how you can advertise on TikTok, so let's get into it. Are you wanting to learn more about social media advertising and online marketing but not sure where to get started? Then Social Proof is the perfect channel for you. Social media advertising is one of the most powerful ways to promote your brand, products or services, and we want to show you how. We upload weekly video tutorials and how-to videos teaching you the ins and outs of Facebook ads, Google ads, and much more. So if you're ready to learn about social media advertising and online marketing, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. So to get started with advertising on TikTok, you'll need to set up a TikTok Ads account, and you can do that here by going to ads.tiktok.com. and it'll take you to this homepage. So here you can set up your ad account and read a bit about what TikTok advertising can offer your business. You can also see some examples of some other brands that are advertising with TikTok already. So here you can see Amazon, quite a few brands, Too Faced, Maybelline, even Universal promoted one of their movies on TikTok as well. So a lot of brands are really starting to push their advertising with TikTok, and there's a much bigger focus on TikTok advertising now because the platform has blown up so much and become so popular, and it's still not saturated, so it's a really good opportunity to still get your advertisements on there, and also at quite a cheap rate too. So what you'll need to do is head back to the homepage and click on the Create an Ad button. Now this will take you to a page where you can start to set up your TikTok ad account. So choose your country here, and then you can choose whether you're mostly going to be promoting your business, products and services, or if it's more an individual account that you want to create, so more promoting yourself, maybe as an influencer. So we'll then click next, and this is where we'll put in all of our business information to create our account. So once you've gone through and completed all these fields, click the Make a Reservation button, and then this will submit your TikTok ad account request to TikTok, and they're going to then get in touch with you. So it won't, maybe like a Facebook ad account, it won't instantly create the account for you. TikTok have to get back in contact with you, and I guess to confirm your account has been created. So just sit tight and let TikTok get back to you, and you can then start promoting on TikTok. Inside the ad account itself, you can promote traffic similar to Facebook. You can also create an objective for conversions as well. And sorry, I should have meant you can create an objective for traffic as well. So sending link clicks to a website of your choice, but you can also create an objective for setting up conversions for a particular type of conversion as well. So it's still quite a new platform, so it is definitely limited, I guess, compared to say Facebook, which has a whole suite of different objectives that you can choose. But it's the perfect time to get in early and start becoming much more familiar with the TikTok ad platform. So I hope this has been useful, and now you know how to set up and create your TikTok ad account. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you keep up to date with our newest videos, and make sure to hit that like button as well, and we'll see you in the next video.